So what do you want to be when you grow up?
Welcome to this episode of Jen's Coaching Corner with your host, certified motivational and life coach, Jen Wensky.
I love the question, so what do you want to be when you grow up? That is a question that Stephen Covey asks in habit number 2 in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Covey goes on to say, are you right now who you want to be, what you dreamed you'd be, doing what you always wanted to do? If you don't make a conscious effort to visualize who you are and what you want in life, then you empower other people and circumstances to shape you and your life by default. Wow, now that's a scary thought. Someone else shaping my life for me? I know I don't want that, and I'm sure you don't either. The solution Covey suggests is that we begin with the end in mind, to begin each day, each task or project with a clear vision of our desired direction and destination. When I read about Covey's suggested solution, it provoked me to reverse my goal-setting process so that my first focus was to begin with the end in mind. I designed a chart that featured the legacy goal at the very top. Then I mapped out the 3 consistent activities that would help me reach my goal right underneath it. And then I identified all the action steps that separated me from those 3 activities. Several times during each day, I made a concentrated effort to evaluate if what I was doing right now was getting me closer to where I wanted to be, my legacy goal. And if it wasn't, I stopped what I was doing and I made a different choice. After a few months of this focused effort, it became crystal clear to me what Covey was talking about when he said, beginning with the end in mind is bigger than goal setting. It is about life's purpose. It's about knowing who we are in relation to what we value and then acting in ways that will keep us steady on our journey toward the end. What a brilliant thought from a brilliant man. Until next time, if you have any questions on setting up your goals with the end in mind, or you'd like a copy of my End in Mind Legacy Chart, stop by my website at jenwensky.com and send me a message through the convenient Let's Talk chat box. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for stopping by Jen's Coaching Corner.
Thank you for watching this episode of Jen's Coaching Corner with Jen Wensky. For more great information, visit her website at jenwensky.com.